but generative AI is a technology that can generate insights and content based on a pre-trained black box. So GPT is generative, pre-trained transformer. So ChatGPT is chat with a generative, pre-trained transformer. Transformer is a Google tech from 2017, 2018. Actually, it's based on a research called "Attention is All You Need," which was written by Google. Actually, the breakthroughs in the last 6-7 years are by Google researchers and OpenAI, and these guys really took the lead in the last couple of years. I think in productizing that and kind of opening the markets. I think the vast majority, I think it's clear right now that AI is able, and will be able increasingly to automate mundane tasks. So I think the view, and I'd like, there's a nice little book coming out called Generative AI for Leaders. There was a nice book called The Coming Wave by Mustafa Suleyman, which I really like. Just finished reading it in the Day of Atonement. It's called Yom Kippur a couple of days ago. I really recommend both of these. But anyway, I think the view is that in 5 years' time, 10 years' time, every one of us on the planet will have an agent, AI agents actually, and these agents will not be AGI, artificial general intelligence, which is kind of Skynet in Terminator 3, right? That's AGI gone bad. And AI is what you see right now, which is can you predict the next word, or can you predict next task? Sure. I think there's something called ACI in the middle, which is artificial capable intelligence. And that artificial capable intelligence will be able to tell them, can you open a store for me in Amazon and take this $100,000 and make them $1 million? And that will break it down to 100 or 1,000 tasks, including email at this store in China, email at this manufacturing, do the research, and what should they sell. This is probably 5 to 10 years away. Nobody really knows, by the way. In supply chain, it's clear that one of the challenges is manpower and mundane tasks people are doing. So I think there's absolutely an application in reading and analyzing emails, clear as daylight, connect your emails, analyze them and get something out of it. B, in looking at your contracts and analyzing them and combining them with stuff. C, automating responses and actions of people that need to do that. I think there's still a cost side to that nobody really understands completely, because it's really expensive. But I think that will go down like with every other technology. And if you read NVIDIA research and other people's research, Intel and others, there's another really interesting company called Cerebras Labs, which create GPUs and chips purposely built for generative AI. Because NVIDIA's GPUs are not purposely built for generative AI. It's an off-label use, as well as Intel's. So there are companies purposely building chips and microprocessors for generative AI, which will probably make it much more effective. Yeah. So wrapping it up, emails, document ingestion, and automation of different actions, I think.
So, so those three like wrap-ups definitely help, but it's still a very complex thing. And I think that some people are, there's senior execs out there that are saying, take a look at Gen AI. How does it apply in our workspace? Here's $1 million, like get it done. Like let's see some values from it. But one of the things that we are constantly saying is kind of the party line is just lead with the problem statement, right? Like don't bore the ocean. Is it detention demurrage that's the biggest headache, right? Do you want to automate responses from delay reasoning? Like what is it that you want to get started with? And that typically gives us the right entry point.
Yeah, you're right. I'm going to refer to the Gartner hype cycle. We're at the peak of inflated expectations.
Yeah.
Right. So it's not a panacea. It's not that you throw generative AI, everything and it works. Yeah. Well, one of the issues I'm going to come back to again is costs. I spoke to Microsoft, some of the ideas we have, and they told me, well, this could cost like $50,000 a day.
Yeah.
A day. So not a month, not a year, a day. So in a 2.5 to 10% margin business, you can't spend $50,000 a day. It's just a non-stop. So I think you need to lean into that. You need to have product functions, talking with the business. I didn't find a way to start. Just throwing. I personally believe that foundational models are probably the future, but there will be an ecosystem of specialized applications, like there is, by the way, in cloud or any other thing, around specific domains like supply chain. And actually, you could replace the word software is eating the world with AI. AI will be like software. It will be everywhere. Already, it's a lot of people. It will just be everywhere.